DJ Codex Tech.
Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how you're going to create working HATunnel VPN files. So first of all, I want you to find a working host, and I'm gonna show you how. In my last video I showed you, so if you want to skip this video you can skip to the part where I used. So I'm gonna search audi.id. Okay, this is where you will find a list of hosts for any country. So if you're in Jamaica, if you're in United States, in Kenya, in Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, any country, so head over to find SNI and choose your country. So I'm gonna choose Kenya because I'm from Kenya. So all the hosts, most of them will be ending the domain .ke, so because that's our country code .ke. So if you can see there are some hosts here, so we're going to test each one of them. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to confirm that I'm not a robot. So I'm not a robot. Okay, done. So scroll down, check the SSNI because we want to see the whole part of it. So scroll down, and then this is your host. These are the tested ports, port 80 and 443, which the host was tested. So I'm not gonna be using the name server of it, so I'm gonna using the IP address. So because it's very easy for you to lock your file using the IP address rather than the name, because some noobs that use the host to snitch the tricks, some of them they won't know the IP address part. So I'm gonna paste it here, delete, then paste. So I have data in my first SIM card, so I'm gonna switch to the second SIM card, which doesn't have any data on it. So enable the ream host so that the speed will be very high. So the ports, I prefer these three, so I'm gonna choose 443. Then the settings, I'm gonna alter them a little. So I'm gonna enable the custom and forward DNS. I'm gonna change the tunnel type to P2P because it's very stable and fast. So I'm done. So I'm gonna go back. So HATunnel have some advantages and disadvantages. So I'm gonna switch my SIM card. So some advantages is it's very fast, easy to configure, but the cons, there are very many. For example, they are very easy to decrypt. It has very many disturbing ads, and there is no premium version of the app. So I'm done, I'm connected. So I'm gonna show you that I don't have any data. As you can see, I'm gonna scroll down here. No thanks. See what I'm saying about the ads? They are very many and very disturbing and responsive. So I'm connected, so I'm gonna show you that I don't have any data. As you can see, the sign in notification comes anytime that you don't have data. So I don't prefer you making files using HATunnel, but because of popular demand, I held a poll and over 1,000 of you voted for this VPN. So I made this video, so I'm gonna export it. This example, this is the procedure of exporting the file. So it's very easy, but I prefer more secure VPNs like the HTTP custom, Napster Net, the latest version, and NP4. There's also the stack, so I'm gonna search my okay. So as you can see, it's working. So make sure you hit the red button, subscribe, and also 80% of you have not subscribed to the channel, so please make sure. Also, I'm going to do the face reveal on my main channel, that is the DJ Card XYT. So make sure you head over there and subscribe. Also turn on notifications, and make sure by the end of next week I'm going to do the face reveal. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care and peace.